Hello learner, welcome to Zero to Embedded YouTube channel. Listen, understand, practice, learn and become embedded engineer. Today topic, Ultrasonic Sensor HC-SR04 interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Smarter learner and smarter world. Let's get started. Agenda. Chapter 1. Introduction. Chapter 2. Tools. Chapter 3. Concept. Chapter 4. Software. Chapter 5. Simulation. Chapter 6. Flash software. Chapter 7. Hardware results. Chapter 1. Introduction. Today topic, Ultrasonic Sensor HC-SR04 interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. In this video you will learn about what are the tools required, schematic diagram nothing but how to do connections, how to write embedded C code nothing but software, how to simulate code, how to flash software on 8051 development board and hardware results. Chapter 2. Tools. 1. Kyle-eyed software. 2. Prog ISP, USB software. 3. 8051 development board. 4. USB ISP programmer, hardware. 5. USB port drivers. 6. LCD and 7. Ultrasonic sensor, HC-SR04. Chapter 3. Concept. Connect LCD data pins D0 to D7 to 8051 of port 2 pins 0 to 7. Connect RS, RW, N pins to port 0 of 0, 1, and 2 pins. Connect ultrasonic sensor trigger pin to port 3 of 5 pin and eco pin to port 3 of 2 pin. And connect ground to ground and VCC to 5 volts power supply. Pause the video and understand the connections like showing in circuit diagram. Chapter 4. Software. Step 1. Create project. Step 2. Create new file. Step 3. Write embedded C code. Step 4. Save with C extension. Step 5. Open target, right-click, provide frequency 11.0592 and enable create hex filebox. Step 6. Build it. Step 7. C code complied successfully and without errors. Pause the video and understand the steps. Pause the video and take a note of embedded C code of temperature sensor interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Chapter 5. Simulation. Step 1. Click on Debug. Step 2. Click on Start. Step 3. Click on Run. Step 4. Open peripherals port 0, port 1, port 3. Step 5. See simulation. Pause the video and understand the steps. Chapter 6. Flash software. Step 1. Open Prog ISP and select target AT89S52. Step 2. Load hex file. Step 3. Click on Auto button. Step 4. Look at results window, flash successful. Hardware connections. Connect Prog ISP hardware to 8051 development board. Connect another end to laptop. Chapter 7. Hardware results. Connect LCD data pins D0 to D7 to 8051 of port 2 pins 0 to 7. Connect RS, RW, N pins to port 0 of 0, 1, and 2 pins. Connect ultrasonic sensor trigger pin to port 3 of 5 pin and eco pin to port 3 of 2 pin. And connect ground to ground and VCC to 5 volts power supply. Pause the video and understand the connections. Hardware results are out here. Thanks for watching video. Today you learned about Ultrasonic Sensor HC-SR04 interfacing with 8051 Microcontroller. Subscribe for more embedded system videos.